Hi, everybody. This is Genesis, and welcome. You all keep asking, what is G Braids? Well, G Braids is me. It's Genesis. It's my method, the way that I do protective styling that looks just like flawless extensions. It is a variety of braids. It's cornrows and individual, and of course, it's lacing. It's hiding your natural hair and exposing the commercial hair. It's done in horizontal, vertical, circular, depending on your texture hair and depending on your face structure. You can wear ponytails and updo with this technique, and it lasts up to 8 weeks.